Welcome to CopyBlocks. In this demo, I will show you a new and revolutionary AI technology previously only available to tech stars like Elon Musk and big corporations like Apple. Now you too can use this same technology in your business or use it to create a powerful passive income by starting a six-figure copywriting agency, even if you have zero experience, technical, or writing skills. Let's say you have a client who needs copy to sell accounting services to small businesses. Using CopyBlocks, you can now create copy and content for this client and get paid in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Enter product name and description. Step 2. Select the type of copy and tone. Step 3. AI writes 100% original copy. The AI will use this information to write all the copy and content you need in less than 60 seconds. Unlike other tools in the market, CopyBlocks uses real artificial intelligence and not outdated fill-in-the-blank templates. The AI can turn a simple input like this into intelligent copy blocks like this. This AI is smart, it's intelligent, it's experienced, it's fast, and with it, there is no need to hire expensive and time-wasting copywriters and freelancers. CopyBlocks gives you total control over your copy. You can set the tone of your copy and even translate it in over 100 languages in just one click. Here's what you can generate in just a few seconds using CopyBlocks. General ad copy. Facebook primary text. Facebook headlines. Facebook link descriptions. Google headlines. Google descriptions. Website headline. Website subheadline. Product description. Product pitch. Blog post ideas. Blog post titles articles. Blog listicles titles. Blog post intros and outline. Turn bullet points to blog. Turn bullet point to paragraph. Sales copy based on proven copywriting formulas like PAS, pain agitate solution, pain gain claim, AIDA, attention, interest, desire, action, feature to benefit, before after bridge, feature advantage benefit, and quest sales copies, and even value proposition. Company motto, company mission, company bio, personal bio, and so much more. Built-in advanced frameworks like AIDA and PAS ensure that your copies always resonate with the audience, as they are based on proven techniques of customer behavior and persuasion. A content improver to rewrite your previous copies for better conversions. CopyBlocks is going to help your clients write high-converting ads, sales pages, blogs, and other such content that is crucial for the survival and growth of their business. And the best part, the free commercial license that's included turns CopyBlocks into a money-making machine for your clients, because they can now sell copywriting services across the globe and get paid for something that's 100% automated for them.